We made the first video where we were talking about the president inviting Nathaniel Bassey to go and perform at his inauguration and be the person to lead prayer and lead worship in that inauguration. So many of us were happy, so many of us were proud, so many of us were excited, to the point where I've seen on social media where governors across Nigeria, top people are congratulating Nathaniel Bassey for that invite. It's trending. It is a very massive update that shows that Nigeria is honored and Nigeria is recognized and Nigeria is respected. But today I want to shock you with even more, because the president of America apparently is inviting more Nigerians. There will be more Nigerians at that inauguration. That's the good news I want us to discuss today. More Nigerians are expected to be at the inauguration of the president of America. Ha! Nigeria, if to say all of them are Yahoo boys as they claim you people are, if all of you people are not good people as they claim, why will the president be inviting more Nigeria? You know the fear? You know the fear that somebody go come collect one of his in Nigeria go come do Yahoo inside the inauguration. You know the fear? So the inauguration of the president of America is coming up this January, about barely few days from now, barely, like probably 9 days from now. The president will be sworn into office, as in he go collect his stature as the president of America. Currently, they just call him the president-elect. And whether you're a Nigerian or an African or a Pan-African or not, the president of America is very important to every country in the world, because his decisions can influence your life. His decision can influence your freedom. His decision can influence your business. His decision can influence everything. That's why every time there's election in America, the whole world is involved. Everybody wants to get involved because they know that this is an important matter to the global safety of human beings. You get it? For those of you who are asking me, why are you talking about the president of America? How it concern Nigeria? How it concern us? It concerns us. It concerns you. Make I tell you for your face. It concerns you. If you like, go they play. Okay. So, we made the first video where we were talking about the president inviting Nathaniel Bassey to go and perform at his inauguration and be the person to lead prayer and lead worship in that inauguration. So many of us were happy, so many of us were proud, so many of us were excited, to the point where I've seen on social media where governors across Nigeria, top people are congratulating Nathaniel Bassey for that invite. It's trending. It is a very massive update that shows that Nigeria is honored and Nigeria is recognized and Nigeria is respected. But today I want to shock you with even more, because the president of America apparently is inviting more Nigerians. There will be more Nigerians at that inauguration. That's the good news I want us to discuss today. More Nigerians are expected to be at the inauguration of the president of America. Ha! Nigeria, if to say all of them are Yahoo boys as they claim you people are, if all of you people are not good people as they claim, why will the president be inviting more Nigeria? You know the fear? You know the fear that somebody go come collect one of his in Nigeria go come do Yahoo inside the inauguration. You know the fear? That one is for those who think that Nigerians are not wanted. So if you are still in your small corner, in your small country, insignificant country for that matter, thinking that you want to chase Nigerians away, Nigerians are not needed, Nigerians are not wanted around people, then you have failed, because the top most important people in the world want more Nigerians around them. So isn't that surprising to you? You are making noise on social media, you don't want Nigerians. Nigerians this, Nigerians that, Nigerians up, Nigerians down. Look at yourself, look at your life, examine your life. You get it? So beside Nathaniel Bassey, I'm getting information on my desk that Sinach, Sinach, Waymaker girl, you know the Waymaker? Yes. This girl, this woman rather, she is one of the pioneers of the gospel music industry in the world. One of the biggest musicians when it comes to glorifying God in the world. And information is reaching our desk that she is invited to perform at that inauguration as well. Sinach, as a Nigerian Sinach, the girl from Nigeria. You see how far Nigerians they go. Invited to sing and perform for the President of America. Now, there will be more Nigerian dignitaries that will be present there because the President of America is currently inviting leaders from all over the world for this particular inauguration. We are seeing people who will be coming from China, people will be coming from Russia, people will be coming from Europe, France, every single, wherever it's important. And Trump is not even inviting everybody because I saw information that the state governors of America, they are not even invited. So he did not even invite the governor of Georgia, governor of Texas, governor of all those states. They don't even invite the governors. Yet they skip go to invite Nigerians. They skip go to invite people from other. And we haven't heard him invited anybody from any other African country. We have not heard that the President of America has invited any other Africans. We are not hearing anybody from Ghana, anybody from South Africa, anybody from any African country invited to that inauguration. But how many Nigerians are going to be there? Ask yourself question. How many Nigerians they go this inauguration? How many Nigerians go perform there? How many Nigerians go be part of this prestigious event? One of the biggest events in the world. How many Nigerians? But we don't get any other person from other African country. Other people from America are being ignored. And you're telling me we should be quiet. We should not hail the Nigerians that are being invited. We should not act as if this means something. That's what you're telling us? No, now. Look at small Ghana president inauguration. See how people were invited. See how they shake the Africa. See how leaders were coming from left and right. How more of America president inauguration? Am I saying that America is too important more than Africa? Yes, whether you like it or not, is the truth. It's so far right now, we want to be Africa to get to that level where Africa is as important as them. But as it stands now then they decide many things for us. So we are struggling to change that. The first thing to solving a problem is to admitting that there is a problem. That is the first step. And so once you start seeing that you are being invited to places like this, you are being honored in places where others are not honored, that's where you begin to understand that your value and your potential is becoming big. You begin to understand that you are becoming a powerful person, an influential person. And that's what we keep telling ourselves every day, that Nigeria is getting recognized. Nigeria is getting the position it deserves. They are beginning to discover that they must treat Nigerians accordingly. They must respect Nigerians. They must give Nigeria the honor it deserves. And for all Africans who think that this is all about Nigeria, you're making a very big mistake. You see, Nigeria is a strategic country for the rest of Africa. And the earlier Africans know this, the better for Africans. Nigeria is the pivot. Nigeria is the main arm. Nigeria is the Odogu. Because when all political influence have to work in Africa, Nigeria has to be part of it. That's why you see France is struggling and leaving other African countries. They are chasing France away from other countries in Africa. But France is putting all their power and all their effort to build a better relationship with Nigeria. To show Nigeria that we can be good people. So many people are just saying, Nigeria is going to work with France where other countries are chasing France away. You don't understand what is going on. So what if France now is now trying to use Nigeria to show other African countries that they are now becoming better? They want to have better relationship with Africa. What if Nigeria is now using the France? In case you don't know. What if Nigeria is... Did you know that France is the top buyer of crude oil from Nigeria? France is the highest spender from Europe, all over the world. Now France buy from Nigeria pass. So what if Nigeria, they play smart, they use the France? So they know the role Nigeria has to play. People don't understand, they don't want to think deep. You get it? The most important thing for Nigeria now is to have market, to sell their oil, sell their crude oil, do their business, make more money, because the economy has to rise. You get it? So if Africans are not willing to buy as much as France is buying, why should Nigeria not sell its crude oil? It should keep the crude oil. You get it? So business is business. Nigeria is that relevant and that strategic and that important. So this inauguration of Trump will be massive, will be loud. And probably I'm going to try as much as I can to share with you videos of the performances of these Nigerian stars and Nigerian celebrities that have been invited to that inauguration. Don't forget, The daughter of the president of America has a Nigerian husband, and the Nigerian husband has many close friends in Nigeria, like the son of the president of Nigeria. So expect so many Nigerians to be at the inauguration of the president of America. More Nigerians will show their face there, and more Nigerians will be honored. This is deep. This is massive. Congratulations to all of them that will be there, because if you're opportune to be at that place, that means you are amongst the top people in the world. Anybody will not see you like that. That means the person, they envy you, they jealous you. Me, I don't get envy and jealousy. So I hail everybody, I celebrate everybody, and I give shout out to Nigeria, because Nigeria deserves the shout out. Congratulations once again for Sinach. Congratulations once again for Nathaniel Bassey and every other Nigerian that will be there to represent Africa. Remember, no other Africans are invited there except Nigerians. That is massive. That alone is very, very massive.
May God bless you all. You know, like I said, I'm an evangelist who like to speak nothing but the truth, and I will continue to speak it until I end by the truth, by the grace of God. Yes, Nat, the popular singer who heard from Ebonyi State, whose everybody knows as a daughter to Chris Oyakrome, a church known as a Christ Embassy. You understand me? Finally, has been given an honor, given an audience and recognition globally, world number one, to come and perform in the 47th in addition of another Biafran boy, you understand, who heard from Ikwere River State, you understand, Nathaniel Bassey. You know, this thing shows the love that Donald Trump cabinet, government, you know, had for the Biafrans. You know, they are concerned. It shows that this country called Biafra and this people called Biafra are the people to reckon with. You know, they deserve some recognition internationally and globally. You know, Donald Trump and Americans, they see the value and the importance and the need of these people to be present that day. And I am happy for what is happening, that among the politicians of Nigeria, among them today, they are celebrating it, that this kind of recognition to people in this side, it shows of a truth. There are people, actually there are people, and those people are the Biafrans. You understand me? And I know that Christ Embassy, somebody like Chris Oyakrome, you know, he has been a man who don't discriminate, you understand, but he rather embrace good things, and which through his ministry that God gave to him, he used it to make this young lady, personal Sinach, whom she is today, that draw her, that draw the attention of the world leader, you understand, today for her to perform is something. And but funny enough, people like many African leaders are not given such recognition. You understand? But I don't know the reason. You know, Donald Trump have his reasons, you understand, for not doing that. But giving an audience to a country that is not that recognized by Nigeria, you understand, but recognized by the incoming American government, you know, it shows integrity. It shows principle and discipline. It shows the human relationship and human recognition. And it shows how disciplined the people of Biafra, the discipline that they are in terms of international looking. You understand? Because in America today, you will see somebody like I think Ikechukwu, or there are Ikechukwu or Kechukwu, who happens to be the current captain of the warship of America. You understand? So if you watch, you find out, you will discover that these people called the Biafrans have been doing incredible things, wonderful things, even in America before now. If somebody can assume such position, if somebody can merit such position as big as America is, somebody from the Biafra East can merit such position, becoming the captain of a warship in America. It shows that yes, we are doing something great. We are great people. We are born great, and we are great people. You understand? So, and that greatness is what I believe that Donald Trump want to embrace, and he want to acknowledge it, because America is a great nation, and he want to relate and cooperate with the great people.
Although in America, they will also know that the warlord there in America is an Igbo man.
Yeah, that is what, and the warship captain is an Igbo man. That is what I say in person. That's why I say I stand to be corrected, either Okechukwu or Ikechukwu, but it's a typical Igbo man. You understand? It's a Biafran. So if by merit he can become a captain in a great country called America, as big as they are, somebody from this Aziz emerge as their warship captain. That is to show you how great the Biafrans can be, and how wonderful the Lord God Almighty have made us to be. That's why you are seeing us doing wonderful things, marvelous things, credible things in the world at large, both in Germany, in Finland, in America too, in Nigeria here, in London, in Russia, in Georgia, as you can, in many places in the world, both Argentina, Brazil, you understand, even in France.
Okay, but we've seen even Ngozi come out to react as regards, Ngozi coming out to react as regards Sinach performing on that day. So how do you think this will make the people, the Igbos, how do you think this will make them feel?
They are feeling cool. They are feeling cool. We are feeling cool. We are okay. We are happy. Yes. Ngozi currently is already in Georgia. Currently now, waiting for the day. And now expecting her sister. You understand? To come and join her over there to perform. It's a good news. It's a good news. It's a good news. And I love that. I love that. And I love the spirit. It is a spirit. The spirit of Biafra is what is moving viral now. Okay? And that's just it. Thank you.
Okay, so what's your take as regards the Nigerian governors, being congratulating Nathaniel Bassey as regards his success, as regards him performing on that day?
Yes, the governors from Nigeria, they are appreciating, they are happy, thanking God on his behalf. Yes, except those ones who hate good things, who doesn't want something good to happen in the life of their persons. These are the people that will oppose it. But those who wish the young man well are congratulating him. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It shows solidarity with him and encouragement to him to do more. You understand me? And they are like giving him more encouragement and more hope that means he is to do better after this. They are looking onto him to see more better of him. Okay, that's what it means.